Welcome back to Product Critique, where we help you find the perfect products for your home. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best spice rack organizer countertop rotating tiered, the KLM 12 inches wood Lazy Susan. This two-tiered rotating spice rack is more than just a kitchen accessory. It's a beautiful combination of function, form, and durability. If you're tired of knocking over bottles or reaching deep into cabinets for your favorite seasoning, this could be the solution you've been waiting for. Let's start with the design. Crafted from solid wood and finished in a warm rustic brown, the KLM Lazy Susan exudes a farmhouse industrial charm that elevates the look of any kitchen. The iron brackets supporting the tiers enhance its sturdiness and add a subtle edge that fits right in with both traditional and modern decor. The compact 12-inch diameter makes it ideal for tight spaces like countertops and cabinets. Yet despite its small footprint, it offers generous storage space across 2 levels. You can load it up with spice jars, sauces, condiments, or even essential oils and still spin it effortlessly thanks to the smooth ball-bearing rotation system. Speaking of rotation, it glides like butter. No wobble, no resistance. Just a satisfying, fluid motion that makes it easy to grab what you need from any angle. Whether you're prepping dinner, baking a cake, or crafting a cocktail, everything you need is just a spin away. But this isn't limited to just spices. One of the great things about the KLM Lazy Susan is its versatility. Viewers have found creative uses for it all around the house, from bathroom vanities and coffee bars to craft rooms and even entryway tables. Drop in a few candles, potpourri, or seasonal decor and you've got yourself a rotating centerpiece. Assembly is minimal and beginner-friendly. Out of the box, you just attach the 2 metal support brackets to the wooden tiers. It's straightforward and takes just a few minutes, no tools beyond what's provided, and no frustration. In terms of weight, it feels solid, just over 4 pounds. That means it's heavy enough to stay put while spinning, but not too bulky to move when needed. The wood finish also wipes down easily, so maintenance is a breeze. Now let's talk price and value. While the KLM Lazy Susan is positioned slightly above entry-level organizers, you're paying for quality materials, durable construction, and a style that complements your kitchen rather than just serving a purpose. This is not a plastic turntable hiding behind pantry doors. This is something you'll be proud to display. If you're someone who loves an organized, efficient, and beautiful kitchen, this piece fits the bill. It's practical, it's charming, and most importantly, it delivers on its promise. If you're looking to declutter your countertop while adding a decorative flair, absolutely. If you want something that spins smoothly, holds weight without tipping, and doubles as a display piece, this is it. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this breakdown or want us to review another home essential, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop your suggestions in the comments. Until next time, keep your space smart and stylish.